Daewoo Lynx 210A. Machine has a FANUC 0 IT control. Parts catcher, 6-inch chuck. It's got a tool eye, 12-position turret. We also have an LNS Ecoload Barfeed with it. Serial number is L2103149. Machine is new in January 2003. Alright, we're going to run it now. Okay, what's it running at? Currently, the spindle is running at 1,000 RPM. $2,000, $2,800, $3,500. Spindle's nice and quiet. The hours. It's got 28,359 power on, 10,825 cutting. So you can see that better. There you go, that's better. Alright, that's it.